Hey guys, it's Extreme Jack here. Today we are doing the candy taste test video. I have two special guests today. One is Captain Gamer.
Sorry.
Shout out to him. And the second one is Joseph McCaddy. Shout out to him. So, we were going to start the video. I'm going to close my eyes, pick one, see which one I get, close my eyes, pick one of those, and we'll go. We'll eat that one. So, here we go. This one.
Jelly bean, yellow. Try to get different colors. Green. I'll take red.
3, 2, 1.
We're probably going to do this one last because it's hard candy.
Yeah, but we'll still have it on the table. Okay.
Jelly beans.
Whoa.
Good. There goes all the dares.
Okay. Next, Sam is going up.
I'm just
Captain
gonna
Gamer.
put that to the side. Ooh, trolleys, octopus.
I got different flavors.
Okay, ready? Go. Ah, yeah.
They're chewy.
Actually, not sour.
How is that sound?
Not at all. They're not even sour at all. They're too hard. I like the flavor. I do too, but it's too hard.
Yeah, if they had a little softer.
It would be way better.
I mean, I would eat these on a daily basis, but like not. They're
too
not my
hard.
favorite.
Yeah. Hey. There you go.
Oh,
But I
put
was
mine
bad on shoving.
I'm
it
putting
all
mine
in my
down.
mouth. Same.
That was good. Now we got 3 left. Well, technically 4. Okay, Joey, you up.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Well, that doesn't matter.
Where are they from?
Trader Joe's. Oh. Good any day. That's good any day. Okay, I'm back up.
Chocolate.
I'm back up.
2 left.
Oh,
Wait for me. The long sour things.
oh.
Ready? Set. Go.
Oh yeah.
These are the best, by the way.
So good.
I was sure the best so far is the chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put mine down for later.
Okay. Now.
Last one, so.
Okay, can that.
Like these little Easter.
They'll leave several gummies for
Maybe
Easter.
we'll each get 2.
Each get 2.
So I got 2 greens.
I got orange and red.
Ready? Go.
Oh yeah. That's good.
I still think the chocolate's the best.
Yeah, I'm gonna take another one of these.
I ate those. They're too hard.
Okay.
Okay, last one.
Is
Random flavor. Green.
green.
I'll take purple. We messed up on these, but we accidentally did like a video, but
Yeah.
it didn't work. So we already tried these.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh. They were like warheads.
But not sour.
Not that sour.
I bet you I can make a stone face this whole time. It gets better like warheads.
Ooh.
But a stone face is so fine.
Extreme, yo. Oh. Okay. Sour's going away now.
There was no sour at all.
Wasn't that sour? You can see. They like that.
They're
So-
like big, just like hard balls.
I think we should end the video here. But my favorite candy was probably those gummies. These, wait, no. These gummies. The Lifesaver gummies.
Mine is probably this. Mine's the chocolate.
So, yeah. We'll see
Maybe
you next time.